Looking to clear the lingering smell of smoke from your car? In this guide, we'll help you find the best car air freshener for smokers to keep your vehicle smelling clean, fresh, and inviting on every drive. Number 1. Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray. If you're a smoker or frequently have smokers in your car, dealing with persistent odors can be a hassle. That's where the Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray truly shines. Specifically designed for tough smoke smells, this spray goes beyond just masking odors. It neutralizes them on contact. It's a fast-acting solution that's even been tested in high-smoke environments like casinos, proving its strength in some of the toughest conditions. Whether you need to freshen up your car, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, or even your clothes and hair after a smoke, this product steps up to the challenge. One of the biggest perks of this air freshener is its all-natural, non-toxic formula. Unlike many commercial sprays that are loaded with harsh chemicals, the Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray is safe to use around children, pets, and even directly on fabrics and skin without leaving any residue or stains. You get a clean, fresh scent without worrying about harmful ingredients lingering in your space. It's an excellent choice for anyone sensitive to synthetic fragrances or those preferring eco-friendly products. Versatility is another area where this spray excels. From lingering cigarette smoke in your car to cooking odors in your kitchen or mustiness in your basement, this multi-purpose eliminator tackles it all. Its powerful formula handles cigarette, cigar, and even house fire odors, making it a practical addition to any home or vehicle. What sets this product apart is its OAM, odor-absorbing molecule technology, which breaks down odors at a molecular level. This ensures that smells aren't just covered up but are completely neutralized, leaving no trace behind. The scent won't return unless it's reintroduced, providing long-lasting freshness with every use. In short, the Smoke Odor Eliminator Spray is an effective, safe, and versatile choice for anyone needing serious smoke odor control in their car or any other space. Number 2. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Fresheners. When it comes to keeping your car's interior smelling fresh and inviting, especially for smokers, the Ceeniu Smart Car Air Fresheners offer a premium solution with modern technology. This innovative device uses ultrasonic misting to release a visible burst of fragrance, creating an engaging and sensory-enhancing atmosphere every time you drive. More than just an air freshener, it turns your commute into a calming and luxurious experience. What stands out immediately is its premium, durable construction. The exterior is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, featuring a dual leak prevention design that ensures the device stays secure and mess-free. Ceeniu even backs its product with a 1-year Ceeniu Care warranty and lightning-fast customer service, showing confidence in its reliability. Smart convenience is another major advantage of this model. The device detects vehicle movement, turning on and off automatically without needing manual operation. No more fumbling to start your air freshener before every trip. It activates effortlessly, saving you time and hassle. Battery life is another area where this product excels. A powerful built-in battery provides up to 2 months of continuous use from a quick 2-hour charge, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent recharging. The fragrance quality is equally impressive, with SGS-certified natural, non-alcoholic French scents that are safe for pregnant women, children, and the elderly. One refill lasts up to 4 months, making it an economical option as well. Overall, the Ceeniu Smart Car Air Fresheners offer an elegant, long-lasting, and highly effective solution for combating smoke odors in your vehicle. Number 3. Klomsuw Car Air Freshener. If you're searching for a car air freshener that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly operation, the Klomsuw Car Air Freshener is a fantastic pick. Perfect for smokers and non-smokers alike, it uses an industry-first 3rd-generation motion sensor that automatically activates misting when your engine starts and shuts off with the ignition. This intelligent feature eliminates the need for manual operation, and if you want, you can disable the sensor for continuous home or office use. The Klomsuw Air Freshener also boasts a mega-capacity bottle, offering 6 months of continuous fragrance with each refill, 3 times longer than the typical 50 milliliters units. It uses a vegan-friendly, alcohol-free formula that's completely safe for use around pets and kids. A 2-hour USB-C charge powers up to 60 days of operation, which is twice the lifespan of most competitors, saving you time and effort. Another excellent feature is its adjustable scent control with 3 modes: light, medium, and strong. Light mode offers a subtle fragrance for small spaces, Medium delivers balanced coverage for sedans, while strong mode instantly eliminates stubborn odors in larger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. The device uses advanced ultrasonic technology with zero-noise operation verified at less than 25 dB, ensuring it won't disrupt conversations or music during your drive. Thanks to these thoughtful features, it not only neutralizes stubborn cigarette and cigar odors, but also refreshes your entire car interior with a clean, inviting aroma. The Klomsuw Car Air Freshener is a reliable, long-lasting option for drivers who want effortless odor control. Number 4. Ceeniu Smart Car Air Freshener. For a sleek, stylish, and high-performance air freshener designed for smokers and everyday drivers alike, the Ceeniu CF12 Smart Car Air Freshener stands out. It combines modern smart features with a touch of luxury, thanks to its attractive blue lighting and minimalist design. Every detail of this device is built for convenience, from its automatic activation to its impressive battery life. The CF12 turns on the moment you start your car, saving time and energy while ensuring your vehicle stays fresh throughout the drive. Its customizable 3-mode scent settings let you adjust the intensity of the fragrance, whether you prefer a light aroma or a more powerful scent to tackle stubborn smoke odors. One of its most impressive specs is the 700 mAh battery, which delivers up to 60 days of operation on a single 2-hour charge. That means no daily charging headaches and uninterrupted freshness for weeks. The 45 milliliters refill lasts up to 4 months, and the high-quality fragrances are sourced from Robertet in France. It's a well-crafted device that enhances your car's atmosphere while providing reliable odor elimination. It makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who spends time in their car and appreciates both function and style. Number 5. Amor Car Air Freshener. If you're after a high-capacity, powerful, and adjustable car air freshener specifically designed for combating smoke odors, the Amor Car Air Freshener deserves your attention. Using the latest ultrasonic mist technology, this unit releases an ultrafine mist from a 10mm spray outlet, ensuring complete coverage inside your vehicle. The visible fragrance bursts in all directions, making every drive more enjoyable and immersive. One of its standout features is the 5-mode adjustable concentration setting, allowing you to fully customize your scent intensity. The especially powerful Mode 5 continuously sprays for 30 seconds, perfect for quickly eliminating stubborn smoke smells. It's also equipped with a smart vibration sensor and chip that automatically turns the device on when your car moves and switches it off when stationary for 15 minutes. This smart feature conserves battery and fragrance, providing hassle-free operation. The Amor Air Freshener boasts a massive 100 milliliters essential oil capacity. The Amor Car Air Freshener effortlessly transforms your car's interior into a clean, refreshing environment while giving you total control over fragrance strength and operation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.